Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now let me quickly do a tutorial on how to fix this hairstyle, and it's just very simple. Now one thing I love about this hair is the fact that it's very light and the colors that are available are very beautiful, and the ombre colors, you can see them, they are very cute and nice, and once you put them on you just look classy and demure. So if you're new to this channel, please do not leave without touching that subscribe button, and if this tutorial is going to help you in the end, just give this video a thumbs up. Ask anything you want in the comment section once you do not understand something.